Welcome to our strawberry hanging basket weekly update. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, everybody, and today we're going to give you our weekly update on how well they're actually doing, and as you can see, they're looking absolutely amazing. So let's turn the camera and let's have a good look at them and see how well they're growing. So these are planted in the Oakland hanging baskets, and these have like 12 to 15 holes in the side. So we've got them in every single hole. We've probably got too many in, but oh well. We'll have to keep them well watered because it'll get absolutely boiling in here in summer. It was 30 degrees in the polytunnel yesterday and we're still only in March. And yeah, they're taking really well. Every plant literally has nearly taken. There's been a couple that have not doing well. But we keep taking the flowers off at the moment because we need them to take root. And yeah, we need to take the flowers off for a couple of weeks while they get bigger. And these are everlasting strawberries, so they'll keep fruiting all summer. So yeah, we're going to take the flowers off for the first couple of months because it's not time for them to grow yet, flowers in my area. I'm up Yorkshire, so we're going to keep taking them off and encourage them to get bigger. And hopefully, with taking the flowers off, you get more fruit on them altogether. So that is what we're planning on doing. And I'm so happy with how they're all grown. We've got food in the top. It's Westland Boost, so that'll feed them. When we get to the flowering stage, that's when we'll start feeding them tomato feed, which will get them better and hopefully bigger and juicier fruit. And tomato feed you can use on most fruit and vegetables, to be honest. It's a great feed altogether, spider. But yeah, they're coming on really well. We're hoping for a massive harvest this year down at the plot. I'm just checking them all for flowers as I'm walking down, showing you all. But yeah, look at that one, it's got a flower on it already. We'll keep taking them off. It's only what I've read up on about taking flowers off. It's not something that I actually know. I've never actually taken flowers off the strawberries, but because these are baby ones, baby plants, brand new ones, that's what we're doing. We're taking the flowers off. So I've learnt something myself with regards to that. That's not something that I knew before. Like I said, we've got a couple of dead ones, but we're going to replace those. We've got some spare ones to plant in. But overall, we've only had about 4 that I haven't taken. Everyone seemed to have taken really well. Like I purchased 300 strawberries altogether, absolutely loads. But yeah, they're coming on, absolutely amazing. So we'll have to see what sort of harvest we get down here this year. I'm hoping to set up an irrigation system when it starts to get warmer, because I'm only having to water them every 4 days. But when it starts to get warmer, obviously they'll need a lot of water every day, as the roots will take up a lot of the hanging basket, especially with 15 plants in them. So we're going to set up an irrigation system, which will be solar powered, and it'll feed into the water butt as well. So yeah, that is what we're planning on doing. So I hope you've enjoyed our weekly update on our strawberry hanging baskets. We've popped the link in the bottom so that if anybody's wanting any, go and check them out. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.